Hello, Achiever. Welcome to the intro to the 10-day calm meditation. And in this video, I am going to give you an overview of what to expect on the 10-day calm meditation journey. So let's get started. 10 days of calm. What does that look like? What does that feel like? Before I can even get into what the program is about, the first step is to believe. Believe that you can be calm. It all starts in your mind. Just like this video, it was created in my mind, and I believed that I can do it. So it's the same thing with being calm. You have to first believe, even if you don't believe. And the way to get you to believe is by repeating an affirmation every day. So every day of this series, I want you to say and repeat after me out loud, loud and proud with your shoulders up. I am so happy and grateful now that each day I am getting better and better at being calm. And if you say that enough, you will eventually believe it, and then you will achieve it. Now, what does it look like? It is about checking in with yourself and checking out with the outside world, and really being aware of what's going on internally and observing it without adding any story, without adding any titles. Just sitting with what you're feeling and sitting with your thoughts without attaching to them. And just be in the moment with whatever it is. The uncomfortness, the discomfort, just be with it. Because feelings and thoughts don't last. They come and they go. They only last when you hold on to them. And being calm is not about being happy or sad. It's about being neutral. It's about being without any type of feelings. That's what calm is about. Because in order to be happy, your brain has to release endorphins in your body. And in order to be sad, your brain has to release endorphins in your body. And those endorphins are addicting, right? Most people don't even realize that they're addicted to being sad. They're addicted to being frustrated. And happy is the same thing. In order for you to remain happy, you have to hold on to a happy moment. And the moment you let go, you're neutral. You're calm. So it's not about chasing happy or sad. It's about being neutral, the way you are right now. And in this program, I will show you how to just observe and be aware of what you are feeling, knowing that that feeling will dissipate. It won't last forever. The only way that it lasts is that you hold on to the story and that you're thinking worst case scenario. The only thing you can do is be with whatever is going on right here in the moment, because you don't know what's going to happen in the future. You can't predict it, right? You can't always change your circumstances, but the thing you have full control over is what is going on inside of you. You have control over that. You have control over how you're going to feel about a situation. That lies within you. It's always been there. But right now, you're in the habit of reacting in a negative way. But in order for you to have this habit, you did it repetitiously over and over again. Now, to change that habit of reacting instead of responding, you just have to respond over and over again. And the greatest thing of all, the way how you are reacting when you get irritated and frustrated and anxiety and stress, that all can be changed. Because again, it came about because it was a pattern that you kept doing, and your brain loves to work on automation. So if it's something that you repeat religiously, it is going to be like, okay. So every time we get this particular situation, or every time we get triggered, right, we're going to react in this way. So now, in order to change that, you have to be mindful of when you get triggered. But the first step is to know what that feels like, and to be able to check in and to pause and to breathe. And if you keep doing that repetitiously, religiously, eventually, you will automatically, your brain will automatically have you calm and pause, right? It's, in order for you to obtain a skill is by doing it over and over and over again. And of course, you'll make mistakes in between. And at that point, you just learn the lesson. You do not judge yourself, and you move on. All right. So in this series is really all going to be about learning how to just sit with whatever you're feeling and to be calm within that. And I can't wait to continue this series, and I can't wait to complete this series with you in your journey, right? So let's just recap what I said. The most important thing is belief, right? And the affirmation that I have told you is to repeat that every day, multiple times a day. Look at yourself in the mirror, say it out loud. I am so happy and grateful now that I keep getting better and better at being calm. And eventually you'll believe it. Right now you might not believe it, but if you say it enough, you will. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification bell so that you do not miss a video. And also follow me on Instagram. Bye for now.